In 1927, a discovery shook the foundations of science. Particles could exist in two places at once, but here's the real shocker. Your thoughts might work the same way. Let's dive into the quantum world, where the line between mind and matter blurs, and where your consciousness might be more powerful than you ever imagined. At the historic Solvay conference, some of the greatest minds in physics, including Albert Einstein and Niels Bohr, gathered to unravel the mysteries of the quantum world. What they discovered would change everything we thought we knew about reality. The Copenhagen interpretation, a groundbreaking theory, revealed that particles, the building blocks of the universe, don't behave as we'd expect. Instead of following predictable rules, they can exist in multiple states at once until someone observes them. This phenomenon, known as the observer effect, suggests something extraordinary. The act of observing, of being conscious, can collapse these particles into a single state. In other words, consciousness isn't just a passive experience, it actively shapes the physical world. This led to a startling question. If consciousness can influence particles, could it be far more powerful than anyone imagined? Take Schrödinger's famous cat experiment. A hypothetical cat, trapped in a box with a radioactive particle, exists in a strange limbo, both alive and dead, until someone opens the box and observes it. This wasn't just a bizarre thought experiment. It hinted at a deeper connection between the quantum world and our ability to observe it. Physicists like Eugene Wigner took this idea further. He suggested that consciousness itself might be the missing link in the puzzle of quantum mechanics. If particles behave differently when observed, what does that say about the role of human thought in shaping reality? Now think about your own mind for a moment. Thoughts seem fleeting, intangible, and purely internal. But what if they're more than that? What if, like quantum particles, your thoughts exist in multiple states until you focus on one, collapsing it into reality? Emerging evidence hints at this possibility. Researchers have found parallels between the behavior of quantum particles and the workings of the human brain. For instance, the way neurons communicate across synapses mirrors the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics. Could this mean your thoughts aren't just contained within your head? Could they be rippling out into the universe, influencing the world around you in ways you've never considered? The Copenhagen interpretation gave us a glimpse of a universe far stranger and more connected than we ever imagined. But it was only the beginning. As science delves deeper into the quantum realm, we're uncovering clues that your mind and the quantum world might not just intersect, they might be inseparably linked. And if that's true, then what you think and observe may not just shape your personal reality, it could influence the fabric of existence itself. So, the next time you dismiss a thought as insignificant, remember this. In the quantum world, even the smallest observation can create profound change. Now let's explore how this quantum connection becomes even more startling when we consider the brain itself. A powerhouse of quantum computations that might just hold the key to unlocking the true nature of consciousness. Every second, quantum computations in your brain exceed the power of all supercomputers on Earth combined. Imagine for a moment that your brain is more than just a biological computer. Beneath its intricate web of neurons lies something extraordinary, a quantum engine operating at a scale beyond anything we've ever built. This isn't science fiction. It's the revolutionary idea proposed by Sir Roger Penrose and Dr. Stuart Hameroff, known as orchestrated objective reduction. At the heart of this theory are tiny structures called microtubules, which exist within your brain cells. For decades, These microtubules were thought to be simple scaffolding for cellular structure. But Penrose and Hameroff saw something far more profound. They proposed that microtubules might function as quantum processors, capable of performing calculations that defy the limits of classical computing. Here's where it gets even more intriguing. Quantum mechanics operates on principles like superposition and entanglement, where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously or be instantly connected across vast distances. Penrose and Hameroff suggested that microtubules leverage these principles to orchestrate vast quantum computations in your brain. Every second, billions of times over. One of the most astonishing implications of this theory is quantum entanglement within the brain. If microtubules in different parts of your brain are entangled, it means they can communicate instantaneously, no matter the distance. This could explain phenomena like intuition, where insights seem to arise out of nowhere, as if different parts of your brain are syncing up in ways traditional neuroscience can't explain. And it's not just theoretical. Recent experiments have revealed quantum vibrations in neural networks, lending credibility to the idea that the brain operates at a quantum level. These vibrations suggest that your thoughts and decisions might not just follow the predictable paths of classical physics. Instead, they could be shaped by quantum processes, where probabilities and possibilities collide to create new realities. Think about this. Every thought you have, every decision you make, could be the result of quantum computations happening in your brain. But it doesn't stop there. If entanglement is at play, your brain might not just be connected to itself, it could be connected to the quantum fabric of the universe. As we continue to explore the quantum mind, the evidence is mounting. Your brain isn't just a machine, it's a quantum marvel, intricately connected to the very fabric of existence. So the next time you think, remember, your thoughts might be shaping reality itself.